This is the 7th episode of Thought Behind the Shot and I am excited because एक तो शॉट बहुत स्पेशल है, लेकिन उससे कई ज़्यादा खुशी इस बात की है कि नया साल आ रहा है 2025. Wow, so many new days, so much hope, so much prosperity for everyone. बहुत सारी नई कोशिशें होंगी, बहुत सारे नए इन्वेंशन होंगे होपफुली, बहुत सारे नए दिन हैं, 365 न्यू डेज टू लिव योर लाइफ एंड देन देयर बी अ लॉट मोर आफ्टर दैट. बहुत सारी खुशियाँ आएंगी, कुछ शायद गम भी आएंगे, लेकिन क्या मज़ेदार है यार ये टाइम. सो एज द न्यू ईयर कम्स क्लोजर, विश यू ऑल अ लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर इन एडवांस. बहुत खुश रहो, मज़े में रहो यार. अब बात हुई न्यू ईयर की तो एक मेरे फेलो फोटोग्राफर है, उनके साथ कुछ बात चल रही थी. आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू हिम अबाउट लाइफ एंड जनरल फोटोग्राफी ज्ञान. तो उन्होंने मुझे एक बात बोली कि सबसे बड़ी लग्जरी जो है ना, द बिगेस्ट लग्जरी इन टूडेज डेट इज टू बी कंफर्टेबल इन योर ओन स्किन. नाउ दिस इज समथिंग विच वीव हर्ड so many times. I'm sure when you're scrolling on your Instagram, Facebook, social media, YouTube, whatever, you've heard this so much. Self-love, we call it, right? We often look inside for self-love. We look at ways and means of how to start that journey. As a photographer, I think the biggest blessing for me and many other photographers out there is we get to see it outside as well. आज का जो शॉट है उसी से रिलेटेड है. ये शॉट मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं आज आपसे शेयर करूंगा, लेकिन जब ये कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ मेरे फोटोग्राफर दोस्त के साथ, आई थॉट दैट वाओ, दिस इज द परफेक्ट टाइम टू शेयर दिस शॉट एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर. This is a set of mountains, a mountain range right opposite my house. Many times it happens that I go onto the terrace just to look at them, to take pictures, to see the sunrise, the sunset. These are all miracles happening around us all the time, aren't they? हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ एक नया सनसेट, एक नया सनराइज, एक नया कैनवस पेंट करा हुआ है नेचर ने. It's so beautiful and I try to frame all of that as much as I can. So I was standing on the terrace one day and I saw this beautiful range of mountains with snow-clad peaks. It was a cloudy day and ऊपर से बादल बह रहे थे और मुझे लगा कि यार इससे बड़ी जिंदगी में इंस्पिरेशन क्या हो सकती है कि ये जो पहाड़ है, they are not bothered who says what. They stand their ground rock solid. And I was like, wow, all we need to do is just stand our ground. You will eventually get comfortable with it. You will eventually get comfortable in your own skin. You will start liking the sunny days, the windy days, the cloudy days, the winters, the summers, the rain, all of it. All that you need to do is stand your ground. So I started taking pictures of these mountains, one after the other. Before I take you to the final shot, let me tell you the settings that I was using. I was using a telephoto lens on which I had zoomed at 200 mm. My shutter speed was 30 seconds. The aperture was f14 and the ISO was very low at 100, which is the minimum on a camera. I was taking those shots and trying to get those clouds going above the mountains, and just then, lo and behold, I got this shot. Just have a look at the shot. What I love about this shot is, if you look at the top part of the shot, it is all dark. It is all cloudy, dark clouds. There's a little bit of hint of white as the clouds are flowing, but most of it is dark. It shows it's a dark, cloudy day. The bottom ridges of the mountains are also dark. There are those snow-clad peaks, और लाइट का इंटरप्ले है. कहीं पे शैडो ज़्यादा है, कहीं पे लाइट वाइट ज़्यादा है, जहाँ जहाँ पे स्नो थी. बट द माउंटेन्स स्टैंड टॉल लाइक दे आर अनमूव्ड. कि कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार, गर्मी हो, सर्दी हो, बारिश हो, हम खड़े हैं. और वैसे ही उसी थॉट के साथ मैंने ये आज का एपिसोड शूट किया है. एंड दैट इज द थॉट दैट आई एम कैरिंग ऑन विद नो डिसेबिलिटी एंड फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन इन एवरीथिंग एल्स इन लाइफ. I am going to stand my ground, do what I like, do what I love, and rest of it will fall in place. आगे सर्दी आए, गर्मी आए, बारिश आए, whatever day it is, I'm very comfortable doing what I love. This was today's shot in Thought Behind the Shot. I hope you liked it. Do share it with your friends, anybody who you think might need it, who might get inspired looking at this shot, who might be interested in photography. Do subscribe to the channel, that means a lot. It really makes a difference, it really motivates us. And do like and leave a comment. Tell me if you're liking it. Tell me if you're not liking it. All kinds of feedback. The whole idea of feedback is it has to tell me what you're thinking. So please, please, please do let us know what you think about the shots. My name is Mohit Ahuja. I'll see you soon, very soon, next year, which is very, very soon. So before I sign off, wishing you a very happy new year. God bless you and your families. Stay happy, stay healthy, and wishing you a lot of success, a lot of happiness, a lot of good health and togetherness in this year to come and for many more years to come. See you all very soon. God bless you.